kumbe u niguo mugubangi
no rakaraga na ihenya mwena Jiani
murume ni go ni kurakaraga na ihenya
so ni Jiani
o confess
murume ni go ni kurakara na ihenya tondu guo niguo mbitwo koguo ni hakuhiukirwo ni hiukagirwo na ihenya no ningiroraga ni handirahiukirwo na no ucio ndirahiukirwo kuriwe ngikihiukirwo mbere ya mami na baba ngikihiukirwo mbere yake ni hotaga kuhorera na ihenya yes
no ugaga sorry na ihenya
we both do yes we both do
ni turoraga na ihenya tondu hena undu ngirakara ningi warakara na ihenya ri ukamba ugacomoka tondu ugo niguo ni enjoy niguo mostly njikaga igiona ndarakara hau na ihenya mbaga ngoima ngahura rapu 3 guo 4 5 gicoka ri ndamu ahorerire tene ani ni horerire tene tukirana pole ri muturiro gathi na mbere tondu riri makarindi mathano me kiondo kimwe ri no nginya makongoranie kiri tugaka tigaitu tiga family itu ti tutiri ruriri rumwe tutiri itura rimwe so no nginya tukakongorana tondu ni gucemania twacemanirie and the good thing is that kihiko-ini wagwo ni kwamenya your partner ukamenya he andu ingikinya undu ucio arifuke na hena andu ingikinya kugo ndigakinyage kugo ndarora uyu ngona riu ri ni akinya haha ni eguthuka ndamukinya haha ni eguthuka so andu ni mekwenda mabe mathomane yes na kiu nikio gituturiti
love language ya Recho ni riko
uyu maundu maingi uyu maundu maingi by the way Recho ti umurehere gift
tiwa yeo
Recho na ni egutinda nyumba the whole day wiki ngima no atinde nyumba na hindi mwina mutire na thina asa we muige wega na thayo peace peke yake wa muiga tu na thayo na one ati wokira rucini ni urahoya ona ni urokira rucini ukahoya na ugathoma Biblia because that is the first thing we always do in the morning utari uroya thimu yaku ati angwenda kuingira TikTok na andu first you pray na thome Biblia riu muigite uguo gutire kindu kingi arenda yes
Recho love language ya Jiani ni riko
okay Jiani ri hey my goodness he has a lot my lord
no binire wiguaga
okay Jiani ni mundu ni endete riri ugatia what he love and dogisejia principles yake for instance agikorwo this is what he's feeling is right dedaga okay trigger or affect Dika ni drama communicate the right way ni endete yani ugetea thoughts yake and that is what has kept me because I believe in what he wants so anytime an idea and I respect it tegutida ngemwira you will fail kana no mutumia thia gacogera muthuri yeah I love respecting that na neno tete it's something that he treasure once he has a thought if I just back it and I push it that is igiuga ucio niguo nduria edete muno no rio mukenagia muno.
When was the last time where Jiani I love you?
Today of course. Today
every
yes
day.
Every day
it happens every day
nawe Jiani
ini no guo
omuthi
every day ekegwire kaundu kamwe togukira kamwitia cai we niki njikira cai we niki angatea asa we bale kamode ado amedaga uguo we mwire tu I love you unakaa vizuri
affirmation
usoke umusupport no uri areka nothing else
aiya
yes
mutikira ni
kamode droy
Jiani twenda wire Recho Mr. Tere we akumutuma
shesheni hakuhe nawe.